The Xiaomi 18 series is expected to debut later this year and will likely comprise a standard model alongside the Xiaomi 18 Pro. The upcoming Xiaomi 18 Pro has surfaced on the web. Xiaomi 18 Pro retains the wide camera plateau on the back with a triple camera setup along with a secondary rear display. The more notable addition this generation could be a new physical AI button on the side of the device. A new leak suggests that the devices could feature a dual 200MP camera setup. An upcoming compact flagship with a 6.3-inch display is tipped to feature dual 200MP rear cameras. Xiaomi may offer a 200MP main camera and a 200MP periscope telephoto unit, similar to the rumored Vivo X300 Ultra and the Oppo Find X9s. The Xiaomi 18 Pro and 18 Pro Max are also likely to retain the rear display and a design language similar to their predecessors. The base Xiaomi 18 has also been tipped to get a periscope telephoto camera, offered 6.3-inch displays. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.